Hello guys, this is Topic 182. I'm gonna be unboxing the 8 GB Ipod Nano, the last generation, which has a touch screen. Before this, I want to make small observation about the other video about the iPhone 4. I didn't find a liquid metal pin ejector tool. Obviously, you can always use a clip, but I didn't know why Apple, and I still don't know why Apple didn't put this in. This is a real bummer for people who have their first iPhone. What I noticed is that it has the micro SIM from AT&T, even though it was a phone bought to be next unlocked. Okay, I'm gonna be now opening the box. It's factory sealed. This is the graphite color. It has like a big scotch. As you open it, you notice it's a little bit big than the classic shuffle. You can find inside regular Apple earphones. They should have put the ones with the microphone and stuff. Next you can see a small like manual with a one sticker, and with the classic manual which says start here. Very cool. This Ipod Nano has a radio. That's why I got the Ipod Nano and an iPhone 4, because the iPhone 4 doesn't have a radio. So this is the iPod. It's very thin, even though it has a touch screen. You have like a home button here to turn it on, turn it off. This volume rockers. It's like the Ipod Shuffle. It's with the clip. Oh, it's already on. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, this was the quick unboxing of this new cool device. And I'm gonna be next I will be unboxing and trying on this switch is a taker for the Ipod Nano. Thanks for watching.